Now again I vector H del phi comma directly proportional to n H comma P e to the power e epsilon 0 T phi e upon RT. Again is equals to K vector n H P e to the power e epsilon 0 del phi e upon RT, where the arrow over the I represent, where the I represent क्या कर रहा है, P to N crossing, and K is the proportionality constant, and K is a proportionality constant, proportionality constant. Again, now consider the NP whole current. Now consider the NP whole current. When the holes from the n type of media reach the junction, hole from the n type of media reach the junction, they do not see any barrier due to the electrical potential difference. So the simple tremble over the potential drop. So the NP hole current density at equilibrium is controlled only by diffusion, and the simple proportional to the number of hole. Number of hole is a NH. N is n type material is n type material. I H डायरेक्शन शो कर रहा है I की ओर, और डेल फाई इज इक्वल टू K NH P. इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. Where the arrow, this is where the arrow over the I indicate, this is the arrow over the I indicate, and P N crossing, N to P crossing represent. Hence the equilibrium conditions, figure number 3 and figure number 3 is a. Now what happened if the potential difference? Now what happened if the potential difference crossing the junction is lowered by a amount eta? This is a hole diffusion electronic field, or this is a electron diffusion, and P type material and N type material and N type semiconductor. N type semiconductor पे इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस होते हैं, इसलिए इस और होल डिफ्यूज होंगे, और P टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर में होल डिफ्यूज होते हैं, इसलिए इस साइड इलेक्ट्रिकल डिफ्यूजन होगा, और स्टेबलाइज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्टेबलाइज होगा और अपोज करेगा फर्दर डिफ्यूजन ऑफ होल्स अक्रॉस द इंटरफेस के अक्रॉस जो है अपोजिट डिफ्यूजन अपोज करेगा डिफ्यूजन को, और एक इंटरफेस जनरेट करेगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड स्टेबलाइज करेगा. नाउ अगेन I epsilon 0 H is equals to I H del phi is equals to K opposite power, opposite direction, proportionality constant, del phi, equation number 4. Now what happen if the potential difference? Now what happen if the potential difference across the junction is lowered by the amount theta? The hole making the P to N cross find the smaller barrier to clamp, and the P to N hole current density become whole current density become This is a figure, positive potential. This reading is a minus x, and this is a plus x, and this is a p type material, and this is a n type material. This potential is a difference between del phi E, differential potential, again del phi E minus eta, again this is a eta. Eta is a lowered by in amount. The junction across lowered by of amount over potential and potential difference. This is a potential difference. This become eta is a potential difference, and this is a positive potential. Figure is as the potential difference across the interface is lowered by superimposed in external field. Imposing in external field. The current start flowing. Now again नेक्स्ट देखेंगे हम करंट डेंसिटी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. I डायरेक्शनल H in bracket del phi E minus eta is equals to proportionality constant K H eta H P E to the power minus E epsilon 0 in bracket del phi E epsilon minus eta upon KT. Again I epsilon 0 H E to the power minus E 0 eta upon KT, which is equation number 5. But the hole crossing from the N to P of material still have to barrier to clamp, hence the N to P hole generate current density of material. Current density of material I directional over the I indicate H upon del phi R minus eta is equals to I epsilon 0 H. Not on the potential difference across the junction, that is IH and to P, is unaffected by the field. The net hole current density is given by the difference in the hole current density for the two direction. Net hole current, all the argument net hole current IH is equals to I directional H in bracket del phi R minus eta in bracket close minus IH I directional upon del phi R minus eta is equals to I epsilon 0 H E to the power 0 eta upon K T minus I 0 H is equals to I 0 and H E to the power 0 eta upon KT minus 1. Equation number, this is equation number 6 and this is equation number 7. All this argument can be applied to the electron making N2p p2n crossing and given rise to electron current. Similar the equation 7. P2n and N2p crossing. Similar the equation 7. That is IE is equals to I0E in bracket E to the power 0 eta upon KT minus 1 in bracket close. Equation number 8. Again the total current density across the junction, they are equal to sum of the electron and hole current densities. Just the total ionic migration current density in the electrolyte in equal to the सम ऑफ करेंट. जितने मात्रा में होल जनरेट होंगे उतनी मात्रा में इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सिस होकर जस्ट टोटल आयनिक माइग्रेशन करंट डेंसिटी इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज इक्वल. दोनों ही इक्वली इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक प्रोसेस करेगा, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स प्रोसेस करेगा ऑफ द सम ऑफ द करंट डेंसिटी ड्यू टू अपोजिट एंड नेगेटिव आयन. सिंस द करंट पोटेंशियल लॉ फॉर एनपी जंक्शन इज गिवन, एनपी जंक्शन इज गिवन, दैट मीन्स आई इज इक्वल टू आई 0 e to the power E0 n upon kt minus 1. Equation number 9. Again I is equals to I epsilon 0 is equals to IA H plus I epsilon 0 E. Equation number 10, where notice that as eta the departure from the equilibrium potential increase. Departure for the equilibrium potential increases potential is equals to e to the power 0 e to the power e epsilon 0 eta upon kt. Increase in comparison to until when is equals to e to the power e0 eta upon kt बड़ा है और 1 इससे छोटा है. यूनिटी. सो I epsilon e, so I epsilon e is equals to I0 e to the power E0 epsilon and eta upon kt. Equation number 11. The exponential law for NP junction. This is a equation number 11 is a exponential law for NP junction.